Today we build the ultimate all-in-one workstation. It comes with an articulated drawing tray, a drawer full of stuff, all types of built-in charging for all sorts of devices, 5.1 surround sound, a recording studio, and under my editing rig there's a shelf for a VR headset. It has adjustable height legs for sitting, standing, and anything in between. Maintenance mode is quite nice. And with this volume of hardware, there is maintenance. 3D printed cable routing guides 20 plus cables through the desk, culminating in just 2 wires that power the whole setup via a 2200 watt battery backup. This channel is all about blending design, materials, and processes in ways that you may have never seen before. Today we're building a desk that clocks in at 350 pounds fully loaded. It's a pretty big desk. Custom 3D printed parts not only play a functional role in the finished desk, they also proved quite useful during the build itself. Many of these parts are available for download along with plans for the desk. You can find the links in the description. So, let's get on with it. I will be honest, I went a bit overboard with this video and shot 500 pieces of footage. The version you are watching is the one where the pictures tell the whole story. If you see something that you would like to know more about over the next few minutes, there is a link in the description to the 27-minute long director's cut. It has step-by-step detail with full commentary and even more animations. If that sounds great to you, be sure to like and subscribe. And if the idea of a 27-minute long video on a desk sounds absurd, then you should like and subscribe anyways. After all, I make short, concise videos too. If you have any questions about anything, be sure to let me know in the comments. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the build. After a few months of planning, design, and construction, I'm happy to say that I've never been quite so comfortable while at work. I've had this tablet for years but couldn't fit it on my desk with all the stuff on there. Not only is there a place to put it now, I can get the full drafting table experience as well. In the end, the desk isn't all that great of a recording studio. It gives vocals a bit of a hollow sound that I don't care for. But that same resonance happens to make the 5.1 system sound really good. For about half a decade now, I have been developing VR experiences. In future videos, keep your eyes out for designs that you can walk through in 360 degrees, and a whole lot more. As I said in the beginning, this video just scratched the surface of this build. Here is a link to the director's cut, which features 21 minutes of bonus footage and creator commentary. Anyways, thanks for watching.